Are you trying to pick the perfect drill for home projects without breaking the bank? Relax, I've tested a range of models to help you choose confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill for home use that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEKOPRO cordless drill. From the moment you unbox it, the ergonomics, balance, and compact footprint signal a user-friendly design aimed at DIY enthusiasts. Weighs 2 pounds, the DEKOPRO cordless drill balances comfort with control during extended sessions without introducing fatigue for long projects. The soft grip exists with a textured surface that reduces slip, while the variable speed trigger delivers precise control at every setting. In terms of dimensions, the tool measures a compact 7.5 inches in length, contributing to maneuverability in tight corners and cabinets. Its weight distribution emphasizes a forward bias that reduces wrist strain during overhead tasks, enabling steadier bit alignment when drilling into overhead timbers. It uses a conventional brushed motor design for reliability, paired with a 1.5-inch keyed chuck for secure bit retention. The included 20-volt battery with a standard charger recharges efficiently, supporting routine productivity through dependable power without extended downtime. A standout feature is the sturdy 1.5-inch chuck that accepts a wide range of bits, improving versatility for various tasks. 2-speed selections enable controlled drilling and rapid screw driving, with a top speed of 1400 RPM and a clutch that protects materials. During real-world tests, it maintains steady torque across softwood and light metal, delivering consistent results without overheating or power sag. Charging time is reasonably quick, and the tool communicates status with a simple LED indicator that minimizes guesswork during project pacing. In direct comparison with the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max drill, the DEKOPRO delivers similar torque at a noticeably lower price. The pros include lightweight design, strong torque, and excellent value, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious homeowners and hobbyists. The cons include noticeably shorter battery life under heavier workloads and no built-in LED light during prolonged projects. At number 4, we have the AVID POWER cordless drill set. Initial impressions highlight a compact kit that promises versatile performance for DIY enthusiasts tackling furniture builds and shelving installations. With a 20V Max battery system, it offers a balance of power and portability for lightweight tasks around the house. Ideal for home repairs, picture hanging, and small carpentry tasks, it targets homeowners prioritizing ease over industrial-grade power. The build quality feels sturdy with a robust housing and a balanced weight distribution that minimizes user fatigue during longer sessions. The design includes a comfortable rubberized grip and a compact footprint, enabling precise control in tight spaces for beginners and casual users. The balanced chassis and metal gear housing contribute to durable performance through daily drilling and screw driving tasks. It offers a 1.5-inch keyless chuck for quick bit changes and a 2-speed transmission for precision control. A standout feature is the built-in LED work light that illuminates work surfaces in dim conditions during late evening projects. It also includes a compact battery charger, a decent bit set, and a belt clip for convenient storage during assignments. In practical tests, it manages light to moderate drilling and screwdriver work without overheating when used within its rated capacity. Battery life held up during a sequence of small projects, with minimal loss after repeated charging cycles and steady torque delivery. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER 20V drill, the AVID POWER cordless drill set delivers smoother torque and longer runtime for typical home projects. The pros include solid build quality, excellent battery life, and compact and lightweight design. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDC 100, a compact yet capable drill designed for home tasks and simple upgrades. Designed for homeowners and weekend DIYers, it targets everyday screw driving, light drilling, and simple furniture assembly with user-friendly controls. With a weight around 3 pounds, it minimizes fatigue during longer tasks while maintaining respectable balance in both overhead and horizontal work. Build quality sits in a sturdy plastic housing with reinforced contact points, offering durable performance for everyday home improvement projects. The design emphasizes grip comfort and balanced weight distribution, reducing wrist strain while guiding your hands through extended drilling sessions. Dimensions stay compact enough to fit in tight corners, with a slim handle profile that suits small workshops and crowded tool chests. It uses a standard 1/2-inch chuck that accepts common bits, providing dependable bite and minimizing bit slipping during heavy screw driving. Ergonomic grip and balanced chassis reduce fatigue when drilling overhead, ensuring better precision throughout cabinet assembly or shelf mounting. A bright LED work light activates automatically, illuminating the work surface without shadows and improving accuracy in dim basements. Two-speed settings provide controlled screw driving and faster drilling through softer materials, though higher torque modes demand steadier hands. Battery compatibility simplifies upgrades, since you can swap between family packs and avoid clutter, yet runtime remains a limiting factor for larger tasks. The motor delivers adequate torque for lightweight carpentry, shelf assembly, and small die projects without stalling under normal use. In a direct comparison with the Makita XFD 1112V model, the BLACK+DECKER BDC12-100 offers better value for casual home use. The pros include lightweight design, long battery life for extended use, and compact ergonomic handling that reduces fatigue. The cons include limited power for heavy-duty drilling and noticeably shorter runtime under load, which can slow ambitious home improvement sessions. At number 2, we have the FADAKWALT cordless drill set. From the moment you unbox, this kit signals a user-friendly approach tailored to DIY enthusiasts and weekend tinkerers seeking reliable performance. Its compact grip and balanced chassis promote comfortable handling during overhead tasks and extended projects without causing hand fatigue. The targeted audience includes homeowners, hobbyists, and small workshop operators who value quick setup, reliable bit retention, and straightforward maintenance. Sturdy plastic and metal components combine for a surprisingly rigid chassis that resists twist under load and maintains precise bit alignment. The overall dimensions measure compact length with a slim profile, enabling access in tight corners and above door frames. The ergonomic design includes a soft grip and forward weight bias that reduces grip fatigue during continuous drilling sessions. It offers a 2-speed gearbox delivering precise torque ranges suitable for wood, metal, and light masonry tasks. A 20V max lithium battery provides dependable runtime with quick swaps and a status LED to indicate charge level. A built-in LED works light illuminates the drilling area, improving visibility on dim projects and aligning bits precisely. The chuck is quick to tighten and release, supporting common drill bits up to sizes that handle most home improvement tasks. Real-world performance shows solid torque, smooth transitions between speeds, and minimal run-out when drilling into softwood, plywood, and aluminum. In head-to-head with the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max drill, the FADAKWALT delivers steadier torque and faster bit changes for typical home projects. The pros include ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue, long battery life for extended sessions, and a compact design for tight spaces. The cons include higher price than some rivals and a slightly heavier overall weight that may affect prolonged use. At number 1, we have the AVID POWER cordless drill set. From the moment you unbox it, this drill signals a target audience of DIY homeowners who value reliability and portability. Its sculpted handle and balanced weight distribution reduce fatigue during prolonged sessions, inviting novices and hobbyists to maintain steady control. The motor housing appears robust, with reinforced plastics and metal inserts that convey confidence during regular drilling tasks and occasional masonry bursts. At a compact 8x7x2 inches footprint, it tucks into tool belts and small drawers without crowding your workspace. Despite the compact size, it maintains a surprisingly sturdy grip profile and a durable chuck that resists loosening under load. The drill features a 2-speed range and a 21-position clutch, enabling precise torque control for wood, metal, and plastics. The built-in LED work light activates as soon as the trigger is pressed, improving visibility in dim corners. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER 20V drill, this unit offers similar power while staying lighter and more approachable for beginners. The pros include powerful torque, long battery life, and ergonomic design. The cons include higher price and limited accessory compatibility. During real-world testing, it drilled through pine, plywood, and light metal with steady torque, minimal stalling, and predictable clutch engagement. Battery life held up under 30 minutes of continuous work with a modest charging cycle, keeping downtime reasonable for typical home improvement projects. Reinforced chuck and quick bit changes preserved alignment during repetitive tasks, while vibration remained tolerable thanks to a balanced housing and grip. The kit includes a reliable bit set, a durable carrying case, and a 2-year limited warranty that backs up everyday DIY confidence.